Right, so in today's video, the company TELESIN has kindly sent me out some more items to review and test, and this time they sent me out some accessories for the newly released DJI Osmo Action 6. So TELESIN's released a new line of storage bags, which we're going to unbox and take a closer look at here. So first of all, on the left we've got the mini storage bag, then in the middle there we've got the silicone cover and lens cap for the Action 6, and then on the right we've got the medium storage bag. So although all these accessories are made for the Action 6, the small bag and the medium bag here, they're going to be able to fit some other action cameras. So I've got a few action cameras with me here, so stay tuned because I'm going to see how they fit inside. Right, so first of all we'll take a look at the silicone cover and lens cap for the Action 6. I just happen to have the Action 6 with me. So let's unbox it and wrap it around it and see what it looks like. Here we go. So as you can see, it's really flexible, but it's got to be like that to stretch around the Action 6. This is made out of silicone rubber. It's really durable, and it's going to protect the Action 6 once it's wrapped around it from any knocks and bangs there. And then this is the cap, which is going to go over the Action 6's lens once it's inside the case there. And then we've got two lanyards, a long secure one, and then we've got a tiny one here. You need tiny hands for this one. It's got a little clip there. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. And now I've got the Action 6, let's wrap that rubber case around it. And as you've just seen there, that took no time at all to wrap round. It's very flexible, and once it's on there, like I said, that's going to protect it even further. And what's great about the rubber case is nothing's obstructed, so we've got all the trapdoors, as you can see there. We can have the magnetic mount underneath still. We can get to every single trapdoor. Even got the quick shot button there, if you can see. So nothing's obstructed. We've got the shutter button on top. So really I'm going to be using this all the time because that's just left on there and I can get access to every port as well as the mounts underneath. So now I'm going to attach that lens cover, but just before I do I'm going to use this tiny little lanyard and I'll thread this through here, secure it to the loop there. Attach the other end to the lens cap, and that's just going to pop straight on and off there. So now that I've attached the mini lanyard, I can attach the lens cap to the Action 6 there. And now you can see I've got the lens cap attached. I'm going to have no trouble just chucking this in the bag. It's going to be way better if you've got no protection on at all there. And then you'll also be able to attach the really long lanyard there. Again, we know how to do that. You just put that through. But I wouldn't have both at the same time. I'd have one or the other, to be fair. So now you can see when I'm ready for filming, I'll just get this out of the bag. I can whip that cap off. And now I know that's fully out of the way. Now obviously when I'm filming, I'll be able to keep that behind the camera so it doesn't get in front of the camera there. But again, it's up to you if you want to take this off or leave it on there. But it's handy on that mini lanyard so you don't lose it. Right, now let's unbox and take a closer look at this new range from TELESIN with the mini storage bag. Here we go. So straight out the box I can tell this is a really well made durable bag. Feels really solid to the touch. And what's great about this one, it's waterproof, as you can see. We've got that sealant around the zip. I won't submerge it underwater, but it's great if it's in the rain there. It's going to take a lot of splashes. And when you open it up there, you can see you've got room for one action camera. And then just above where the camera sits, where you can put your accessories, TELESIN's provided a strap. And that's just got a carabiner on there, what you push down. And that's just going to attach to the top there. So when you've got the strap attached to the case, that's just going to loop through your hand there, if you was to just be carrying it around. Or again, put it in your bag and attach it to a strap inside your bag also. Okay, so first of all, put the Action 6 inside the mini case. But we'll just take it out its silicone case first. As you can see, that pops out really well as it's really flexible. And now we'll just put the Action 6 inside there. I'd recommend putting it underneath. That way when you open it, if you open it upside down, it's not going to drop out. And then obviously we'll be able to put his batteries in the back there and maybe a charging cable. And that's amazing really, because that's so small and compact, and that's just basically just going to be literally chucked inside your bag and that's not going to get knocked, banged, scratched or any water inside there. Now let's have a look at some other Action cameras to see how they fit in also. Let's go to the Action 5 Pro here. That's a little bit smaller than the Action 6, but once again that fits in there nice and snug because we've got this elastic strap there. And then we've got the Ace Pro 2. Now this is the largest Action camera. This is larger than the 5 and the 6. And once again, with that elastic strap, you can fit any camera in there, as you can see. Now for obvious reasons, you're not going to be able to fit the Pocket 3 in there, or let's just say an Insta360 camera. It's just made for Action cameras. Now it don't matter what Action camera you've got, as you've seen, we've got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, we've got the Action 6, the Action 5 Pro, you can also fit the Action 4 in there, and all the GoPro cameras. So it's a really versatile mini case. And now let's unbox the medium storage bag and see what you get inside here. So as you can see straight away, it's like its big brother's arrived. It's identical, it's just much larger obviously. So straight away it feels just like the smaller one. Like I said, it's its big brother. Everything's the same. It's waterproof, shockproof, dustproof. Let's take a look inside. Straight away you can see we've got some more inserts there. So let's fill these up to see what you can put inside them. So now I've packed everything inside of the case. So as you can see, you've got room for your ND filters, a couple of batteries and your magnetic mount there, as well as your Action camera. And then just in the top there, let's take a look. So we're going to put some other accessories. So just in the top there, we've got another lanyard strap, just like on the mini one. And then we've also got another piece of foam cut out, and then that's going to act as another extra shock absorber for compatibility with your Action cameras. So it's got a snug fit there. Or if you wanted to, you could just put it on top of your Action camera, and then when you shut that up, you've just got extra protection if you needed it. So once again, I'll just attach the carabiner clip. As you can see, that's on there nice and secure. And once again, I'll just show you the compatibility between Action cameras there. So once again, we've got the Action 5 Pro. And then we've got the largest camera here, the Ace Pro 2. This will fit in, but it'll be a snug fit. You just got to press down there. Fits in no problem. So I'll just put the Action 6 back inside there. And now, just like the mini one, you'll not be able to fit anything else in these but Action cameras. That's going to be Insta360, DJI, GoPro, or any aftermarket Action camera there. As you can see, any Action camera fits inside. And you'll also be able to fit the Action 6 inside of the case there with that protective case on. So if you're interested in buying any of these items from TELESIN, I'll be leaving a link in the description for each one of them, and there you'll be able to receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. And do stay tuned to the channel because I've got more accessories coming from TELESIN to fit the Action 6, and I'll be doing those videos rather soon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.